Maceda of Barcelona 3, Terasa. The hashtag for Aldea would be hashtag Tiwala at Tugon. Once again, Barangay Buhay na Tubig, all ears for our hashtag segment, hashtag Tiwala at Tugon.
Thank you for that wonderful hashtag. Bilang isang binibini ng Barangay Buhay ng Tubig, nag-aral ako ng mabuti para sa Q&A portion na ito. At sana bilang isang binibini ng Barangay Buhay ng Tubig ay ako ay makakasagot ng tama sa katanungan. Ang hashtag ay ng...
Tayo dyan, tayo pasakali.
Ang hashtag na Tiwala at Tugon, ang pagkakaintindi ko dito ay kapag ang mga Pilipino, ang mga sambayanan ay may tiwala sa isang pamumuno, pagkakatiwalaan nila ito at bibigyan ng serbisyo ng magandang kinabukasan ang mga namumuno. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Binibini Aldea Maceda of Barcelona 3, Terasa. Hashtag Tiwala at Tugon sa pamumuno ng pamahalaan. Ngayon naman, for our hashtag segment, let's call Binibini Ichi Bernal. What will be your hashtag? Hashtag Binibining Buhay na Tubig 2025.
Hashtag Binibining Buhay na Tubig 2025. I believe I deserve the crown because I carry not just the crown, but the heart of every BNT Kenyans. I represent a generation that believe in progress, rooted in culture and equality, in every voice is heard and empowered, especially the youth and women of our barangay. And I am ready to stand as a voice to everyone, especially the youth. Truly, buhay na tubig means living water because water is life. And I believe tonight is my time to claim the crown as Binibining Buhay na Tubig.
Thank you so much, Binibini 3 Ichi Bernal. Hashtag Binibining Buhay na Tubig. Up next, we have Binibini 4 Nizumi Gonzaga. For Binibini 4, we have a hashtag Kagandahang May Layunin, pagsasama ng kagandahan at advokasya.
Bilang isang binibini, hindi lang dapat puro kagandahan, kundi dapat nilayunin ka para sa komunidad at sa mga palibot sa iyo. Dahil hindi ka magiging idolo ng iba at hindi ka magiging role model sa kanila kung puro ganda ka lang. Dapat kagandahang nilayunin at may maitutulong sa komunidad, hindi puro kagandahan na puro ganda lang. And I thank you.
Hashtag Kagandahang May Layunin. Thank you so much, Binibini 4. And now, let me call on Binibini Jillian Lim. What will be your hashtag? Once again, these are the social issues, not just within our barangay, but across our nation. For Binibini 5, your hashtag would be hashtag Alaga ang Isip.
Thank you for that very wonderful hashtag. Alaga ang isip. I believe that mental health issues have been not spoken so clearly. We should, as Filipinos, as a Binibini, we should advocate for this. We should promote medical assistance, promote mental health awareness, because I believe that as a Binibini, we should not just focus on what is on the outside. We should also focus on what is on the inside. And we should always care for not just the body, but also the whole person. Because if you care for the mind, you also care for the whole person. And I thank you.
Thank you, Binibini 5. Hashtag Alaga ang isip. We should not only care about our physical appearance, but also what's on the inside. I love it. And next we have our Binibini, Angela Dabu. What would be your hashtag for tonight? For Binibini number 6, hashtag Isip Bago Glam. Again, hashtag Isip Bago Glam.
Naniniwala po ako naisip ko na ang dapat gamitin bago ang ganda. Dahil kung ganda lamang ang meron ka, anong mapapala mo? Kung puro ka lang ganda at hindi ka nag-iisip ng iyong mga gagawin, ano na lang ang magiging kinabukasan ng bawat tao. Yun lamang po, thank you.
Brain over beauty. Thank you, Binibini 6. And now, we're down to our Binibini number 7, Jasmine Remulla. And your hashtag will be hashtag Makabagong Filipina. Again, hashtag Makabagong Filipina.
Madali.
Hashtag Makabagong Pilipina. A modern Filipina is bold, kind, and has a personality that can help other people. Because a Filipina that is modern, I believe it is a Filipina that is empowered. And I believe being a modern Filipina is being a modern Filipina is having a care for everyone and not just yourself. And being a modern Filipina empowers other, not only just herself. And I believe that empowering comes from yourself within. And I thank you.
Maraming salamat, Binibini number 7. And just like what Pia Würzbach says, modern Filipina is being confidently beautiful with a heart, empowering yourself and the people around you. Up next, we have Binibini number 8, Barbie Arroyo. Barbie, what will be your hashtag? Mga kabarangay, let's continue to give them our support and love, because after the hashtag Q&A segment, we will now announce the top 3 winners for Binibining Buhay na Tubig. Barbie, Binibini 8, this is your hashtag. Hashtag Corona para sa lahat. Corona para sa lahat.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Naniniwala po ako na ang corona para sa lahat ay hindi lamang dito sa pageantry na ito. Ang corona para sa lahat ay nagbibigay ng liwanag at ligaya sa buong buhay na tubig. Corona para sa lahat. Itong pageantry na po ito is hindi mabubuo kung wala ang SK at ang mga nanonood, ang judges at ang mga taong tumulong upang makumpleto ang pageantry pageantry na ito. Corona para sa lahat. Naniniwala ako na ako ay nanalo na. I believe that I already won the crown. Not because I have the capability and I am here standing in front of you, but because of the journey I have experienced and all the friendship I have made throughout this pageantry. Maraming salamat po.
A personal answer coming from Bini number 8. Hashtag Corona para sa lahat. It means going beyond the beauty pageant and serving your community and for the common good. We have 2 Binibinis left. Let me call on Binibini number 9, Hailey Lapuz. Hailey, what will be your hashtag? Hashtag Kabataang May Alam. Again, Hailey, hashtag Kabataang May Alam.
According to Dr. Jose Rizal, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. As part of the youth, I believe that we, the youth, has the power to change our future. Just like the Sangguniang Kabataan ng Buhay na Tubig, which organized this event and helped to showcase the beauty of the candidates, the talents, the advocacies, and the purpose of each and every one. I believe that we, the youth, are the architect of our future. And with the proper knowledge and guidance, together we can build a better tomorrow. That is all, and I thank you.
Maraming salamat, Binibini number 9, Hailey Lapuz. Hashtag Kabataang May Alam. It means knowledge and power, and as a youth, we have the capability and power to serve our community. And last but not the least, we have our Binibini number 10, Ashley Akal. And Ashley's hashtag will be hashtag Kagandahang May Kalikasan. Hashtag Kagandahang May Kalikasan.
Kagandahan is not just seen in our beauty. It is in how we felt and how we take care of the world, of our environment. Hashtag Kagandahang May Kalikasan is a reminder and a call to redefine beauty, not just by perfection, but by protection. Because a true queen it's not about just beauty. A true queen is more than a man. It is all about preserving for the next generation. And as a candidate, I aim to use my platform to represent not just beauty, but meaningful advocacy on fundamental issues. In the end, this hashtag is more than a trend. It is a movement and a message that reflects our collective hope and struggle. It is a call for compassion, awareness, and action. Thank you.
City Representative Miss Martina. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Buhay na Tubig. That was a very challenging segment, but we will not stop there. Before we announce our top 3 winners, we would like to call on once more our Binibinis in their final walk.
Nakaupo siya sa isang madilim na sulok. Ewan ko ba kung bakit sa libo-libo na paing ng dumaan. Wala pang isang minuto, nahulog na ang loob ko sa'yo. Gusto ko sanang marinig ang tinig mo, umasan prinsesa. Di ako makatulog, naisip ko ang ningning ng iyong mata. Nasa isip kita buong umaga mo magdamag. Sana'y parating ang tanaw, kung sakit isipin, ito'y isang panaginip, panaginip lang. Dalhin mo ako sa iyong palasyo, maglalakad tayo sa hanggang kahapon. Alam mo kung padaanin ang mabuting habang buhay. Magsisilbihan o aking prinsesa. Prinsesa, prinsesa,
Beauty, elegance, confidence, and intelligence. Our Binibinis gave it all. Mga kabarangay, let's give them a huge round of applause. And this is the moment that we are going to announce our top 3 Binibinis. And before we call on our winners, we would like to thank again all of our sponsors tonight. Let's start with our hard-working Sangguniang Kabataan and Barangay Councils for pulling off this very successful event. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga butihing Sangguniang Kabataan and our judges who evaluated the performances of our Binibinis. And from all the stunning gowns, wears, grace under pressure during our question and answer portion, personality and heart throughout this pageant, we will now be calling our top 3 Binibining Buhay na Tubig. Meron bang sigaw ang ating mga kabarangay? Who do you think will be one of our top 3 winners? To our Binibinis standing in the center stage, always remember that in and out of the pageant, you are a true winner. Continue to influence the people around you in your community and always choose what's good for everyone else. And our Binibining Buhay ng Tubig top 3 in no particular order. The first one would be Binibini. Binibini Haley Lapos. Once again, Buhay na Tubig in no particular order. The next finalist will be